Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how you can edit a ledger in QuickBooks Desktop. So if you want to join this full course or get the QuickBooks services, you can contact on this number. Alright, let's get started. Okay, now let's create that ledger which we have deleted. Account, new account, fixed asset, land and building was the name. Okay, let's make another mistake. If we have named it as only building and enter opening balances is like 8,50,000. Let's say we put 85,000 and accidentally we have made it in 1st of January 2019. Okay, and save and close. Now what we can do is we don't want to delete this ledger. Rather we want to edit its name and the date associated. We want to correct that. Just right click on this ledger, edit account, and see if you can change this one. Building. Okay, let's write land and building. Okay, change the opening balance. Here let's try to change it directly from here. 2018 record. Yes, great, and save and close. Now let's see again. Double click. If you directly want to see that ledger register, asset register, which we normally say, then double click on it and you will immediately see that particular transaction involved and the balance. Right now we only have one asset entry. Otherwise you will see all the movement related to that particular asset or expense account. Just simply click on that whatever ledger it is and you will see the details. So this is how you edit a ledger in QuickBooks. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.